Hello everyone, welcome back to another DIY video. In this video, I'm going to show you a remedy for hair fall using Moong. This is the Moong hair cream or hair mask remedy which will solve your problems of hair fall, dry hair or frizzy hair. Most of us will suffer from hair fall due to various conditions. So this hair fall remedy will help you to grow your hair long and strong. To make this hair mask, I am using moong powder 1 cup. I have ground moong into a fine powder and I am making use of this. Alternatively, you can also soak moong overnight and make a paste of it and use this in this hair mask. Moong contain a lot of hair nourishing nutrients such as folate, zinc, selenium, silica, iron and vitamin A, B and C. It also contains biotin. It will reduce hair fall by strengthening your hair roots. It will keep your hair scalp healthy and making your hair grow long and thick. The next ingredient is egg. I am using 1 egg for my shoulder length hair. If you have a long hair, you can use 2 eggs. Eggs help in getting rid of hair fall by stimulating your scalp. It will provide nutrition to your hair follicles that will strengthen the hair roots, thereby preventing hair fall. It also contains biotin, which will make your hair shinier. So I am using 1 egg for my shoulder length hair. The next ingredient would be honey, 2 tablespoons. It is rich in antioxidants properties. It will enable to reduce hair breakage, hair loss and keep your hair strong and healthy. It contains antibacterial properties which can reduce scalp infections. The next ingredient would be a tablespoon of coconut oil or any other oil of your choice. The next ingredient is 1 ripe banana. It has potassium which will soften your hair. It has nourishing and conditioning properties. It also maintains the natural oil of your hair without making it dry. The method to make this hair mask is simple. All you need to do is mix all the ingredients thoroughly. For that, I'm using a mixer jar where I've added the moong powder, 1 egg, banana, honey and oil. Grind it into a smooth paste. Make sure that pieces of banana what you're using is ground well enough. This is easy for you to apply on your hair. You can use your hand or brush to apply. Apply it evenly and leave it for at least 1 hour before you can wash off with mild shampoo. Using this hair mask regularly, at least once a week, will help to reduce hair fall. It will soften and moisturize your hair. It will reduce hair fall, nourish hair follicles and fights off infection by cleaning the scalp. It will make your hair shinier. This hair mask is suitable for all hair types. You can notice the difference in hair fall after you use it for the first time only. So see how it works for you. Make sure that you be consistent with this hair mask. Try this and see. And if you like more such DIYs, please subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.